video I will try to recreate this design in Flutter. There are 6 screens, 3 of them are here and 3 of are there. We will totally create these all 6 screens in Flutter in a separate video maybe. This design was posted by Islam on Dribbble. It's a really awesome design. So let's start working on it. I have already created Flutter project, so I will start here. First of all, this is like a login page. First create this login page here. Here I create a new file, login dot. Here I import material.dart package. Sorry, and it should be a stateless widget. I think stateless will be a good because we only have to create a UI design. Okay, this should be less widget. We create a stateless widget and name it as login, and in main.dart file, instead of a scaffold we use login. Oops. Actual import, yes. Okay, so this is the login screen which is showing. There is nothing in it, so that it is showing us this black screen. So we use scaffold here, and child body, it has body as a save area, and its child would be a container. It's a container with an image with another this one. This is a whole container on which this particular thing is stacked. So I should take a stack here so that I can put on 2 different containers up to each other. Okay, so instead of container, first save it, and I want a stack here, and its children. First one will be a container which has width of infinity, double.infinity, and height, its height must be infinity, so it can cover all the available screen. Okay, the next one, we want a container with an image, or this can be a simple image view. I will use a container. Okay, its width should be 400 and height be 1000. I give it a color so that I can see here, colors dot black. Okay, height, I decrease this height of it of 800 and width of 450. No, I need a image to be put here, so I will come back. Okay, I have added 2 photos, random photos I have added here. I initialize these photos here in spec.yml file. In here assets section, I uncomment this section, and here I initialize my photos in assets. These are in assets ets. Okay, and its name is 1.jpeg. Okay, and 2.jpg, and okay, now I save it, Ctrl S, and start dedicating package. Okay, it will load in a second. Okay, it's loaded. I have to restart the app. It will take some time. Now come back to our design. Here, this is the image. This is the space where the username or password is entered. This is the some case of problem. This is like a logo. I can add this by simply stack or image subtypes, some type of this thing, but I will create this entirely thing in Flutter. That is also easy. We'll create another file in which we take care of this thing. It's an easy task. So the app is restarted. Now I will take a decoration, box decoration, or simply I can make it by child image dot assets, yes, and name is assets /1.jpeg. okay, see it how it works. Yes, it works. I want this image. Okay, that one is good. Okay, what can I do here? I want fit here, box fit dot cover. By this it takes all the entire space available. So the next thing here is this main design. Okay, so for this we need another container, but I will take a position here because it is position in center types area. So by taking this position we can position our widget anywhere we want. Child would be a container. Okay, and container we give it a width of 450 and height of 250 I think, and give it colors for now, colors dot white. Okay, so by positioned we give it a top parameter by which it tell the Flutter to position this particular widget from top points which we given. I give it 380 would be a nice. Okay, it is good, not it is not good. now in the design it has this curved border. First we create these borders here. These can be created in decoration box decoration, and in box decoration here color should be given as colors dot white, and border radius dot only, because we only want to give border at specific points. So we only want to give at top left and top right. It has top left position, left parameters, and I give it a radius of I think 10. I will give it radius dot circular, and here I will give it 10. I repeat this for top right also. Top right, and here paste it, and okay. Some sort of border is given. I increase its points value 50. This is good now. You can see a little bit to this right here, top left and top right. Why here isn't applied? Width is greater than the screen size. That's the reason. If I give it 400, it should be work. What is happening? Okay, that is now. We can increase this border radius. You can give it anything. I am going with 50. We also want to move it little bottom, so that we have a logo type here, which we have seen there, this 0 degree logo. So it will be nice if it is more. Give it 420. So first I will create this logo here. For this I create a new file. Create a new file, name it as logo.dart, and import it material.dart, and also a stateless widget. Name is logo, and it has a container, and a container should be the server. So first we define its width. I want make it 100, and height 50. We will change it later. And decoration, box decoration, and here we give it a color of colors dot white. It have border radius dot circular, and it should be 100. Let's suppose not be okay. Border radius I give it 100, that is more, and it have border also, and border here, this is the border, and it has a border, I think border dot all, yes, and give it width of 4, color of colors dot black, or what can we give here? Okay, that is enough. And in container we need two things which are stacked. We give it a child of stack. It has children. First is center, and second is positioned. In center we have a text, center has a child which is text and which is O, and positioned has a text which is also or 0, I think. Okay, and it is positioned from left. Is 10. Okay, now do it here. Before this we'll create another position and give it a child name, the name logo. It is okay. We will. It is its first position from left. So left from itself 50. Position from top, it would be the 300 I give. Now let's change the font and some size of this text. Give it style and a text style. It font family I have used quicksand. Yeah, it will be good. We'll do font weight dot bold. Okay, let's change again into white, so because we have done our work approximately. Okay, also give it back its width of 4, I think. Good. No, that's too much. No, that's good. Okay, so this bold and give it a size. Wow, that's awesome. Yes. Okay, I'm copying this and paste this here and change its font size to 20, change to bold to W700 and the top decrease to 6. I will try to change this. I will try to change this photo if I can. Okay, so let's get back to this area and this is the logo and this area. Okay, what we will need this thing. We need a column in which all these things are present, and child would be a column. It has children, and first child will be a text. It is written with the 0 degree. I paste old textile which I copied from that. I use a sized box so that there we are some little space for it. It has a height of 30 points. Yes. What is like it? Zero degree. There is a next text. And it has a text of men's fashion wear. Men's fashion wear. Okay, it has the same text style of font size of 20. Now it will be 10. Date, there is a lot of different data. Okay, font weight dot to be 900. These two input boxes and of course this button. First I will create these two input fields. It has some sort of padding here, so I will enclose this in a container and will give it padding afterwards. Okay, child will be a text field and decoration, box decoration. No, it should have input decoration. First I will give it a hint should be a user. First, second one will be a password field, and there is a button which I create using a container. This is a container of width, let's suppose 400, and height 20. Color I will give it colors dot black 87. Between this I give it a sized box so that it spaces there, so that there is a space between this text field and this container, and it should be a height of 20. Okay, first give it a padding, edge insect dot only from left should have 20 and right 20. What is happening? Okay, that's good, I think. Is 5 points more. Okay, now create its input decoration, which is sort of this type, this card style. What so for this border, so we can take outline input border, and in this border we'll give a border radius dot only, and we only want in particular sides, on this side, these three sides, not on this side. This is the top left side, top right side, and bottom right side. We only want border on these sides. So top left side, border radius dot circular, and we give it a radius of 6. Copy it, paste. We want in top right side, top right, and bottom right side, bottom right. This is a less amount. What happened? That one is approximately the required one. you can see. So I have changed this photo which I have got from here. I've cropped and get this here. I think previous one looks good than this. Okay, this was done. I will copy all of this from here and paste it here. So then they need some spacing here and here also. So I create two sized box. First one here, sized box of height 6. Oops. Okay, we will do it later. This thing is spaced good, and space this one also. Okay. For this is occurring due to smaller size of this container. So we have to increase the height here. It will work. Yes, it works. Okay, let's compare with this thing. There is more spacing here, so let's give it more. Give it 12. No, it doesn't look good. To deal with this button, so the width is good. I have to increase its height somewhat. This will be a good thing. And here we decoration, box decoration, border radius, and copy all of this here and paste it here. Okay, it should work. We have to move this color in this decoration. It will work now. Okay, it works, but we need a bigger size and also now it's look good. The text is center which is sign in. So add text here and with the chart. What happened? Okay, child center child text. And the text is sign in. and copy the style of text from here. Give it a color of white. Okay, it looks good. Now we need this line, so what we do here, give it a style to the hint, which is also a text style. I have copied the last one. Okay, here also hint style. Can use a container to give a fixed height of it, that so that it takes a specific height. We can wrap this text field to the container and we can give it a height of 50, and we can do this with this one and give it a height of 50, and also decrease the distance between these two text fields as 15, so it will work. Yes, it is working and it look good. So I think there is a need of this one also. Okay, then need a line which is the sign up, which says sign up. Okay, where this container ends, it is easy with a row, I think, and give it a cross axis alignment or center, and it has a children which has a text which is centered. Let's see if it works. It's a main axis alignment, sorry, main axis alignment. Yes. Okay, the text is new sign up, first new user sign up now, new user and question mark, and is sign up now. And the text style will be this one. Font size will be 10. We should not give this style. Where is this font? Sorry, it has white color, change it to black. Okay, we need spacing here, size box of height 6, One. You see here there is, this is little bit darker and this is bold, and so we need another text widget and in which there is a this thing. And again this the same style. What happened? Okay, change it color to black 38 and it has font weight, sorry, it has a bold, go to bold. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. In the next video we will try to create these screens. If you like this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe so that you can watch next video.